Good morning, welcome! Today I'm sharing with you how to make breakfast pizza. The combination of pizza dough, beef, cheese, eggs, avocado is amazing. And I'm so excited to share this with you, so let's get started. You'll need parchment paper and pizza dough. I will leave a link in the description below my recipe for pizza dough. Dust some flour on both sides of the dough. Roll it out and try to keep the dough in shape of a circle. Dust the edges with a little bit of flour and carefully roll up the edges. I'll do this 2 times, so I'm going around the second time. And then you can shape it with your hands so it'll be better looking circle. I'm using ground beef and I'll just spread some on the pizza. Salt and pepper the beef just a little bit. Now I'm spraying some olive oil on pizza crust as well as on the beef. Add some shredded cheese. And now this is important, you'll use a pizza stone or cast iron pot, and it must be hot, it must be in the oven, and your oven should be preheated to 450 degrees. Simply transfer the pizza to the hot pot. Bake at 450 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out the pizza and add 2 eggs. Salt the eggs and bake additional 8 minutes. Just look at this goodness. I'm gonna add some avocado on top. Everything bagel seasoning on the avocado. Some fresh green onion. And of course, I'm gonna make some coffee because who doesn't have coffee for breakfast? Okay, here we go. Let's look inside. It's so juicy, the dough is cooked through very well, and combination of all those ingredients is amazing.